Thank you, Josh. And introducing the next island for today, ladies and gentlemen, goes by the name of Filidonu Drama Group. Filidonu, they are working under the umbrella of under Tonga Family Health Association, and pretty much the item they're going to do for us today is the related between sexual reproductive health and natural disaster. So we'd like to introduce, welcome them on stage. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Filidonu Drama Group. Oh.
Stop it. Yes. Where's the blind brother?
Oh, outside. I'll go get him.
Go get him before he get lost, yeah? Where's that ring?
Yes,
Oh, you have to put the ring as well. And go get the candle. Be careful, son, be careful. Put it on the bed. And on the radio. There's a news coming.
Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks very much for joining us. And we've got a serious situation going on in the South Pacific. All eyes are on Tonga as severe cyclone Gita, category 4 when I made this video, expected to be category 5. Tonight
It's getting too
starting to
strong.
make landfall and brushes
Where's your father?
southern islands of Tonga.
What do you mean you don't know?
This is where it lies at the moment. You can see
Go and find your father. Hurry up. This is a very bad situation to us.
I'm coming! I'm coming! On my way!
It's fire!
Go and get her.
Give the hand, lift up that side. Go, hurry up, lift up that side. What have you done? Hey, did you guys hear on the radio about the cyclone? What time that it's gonna be here?
Where did you go? It's
I
going
went
to 7.
I went out and looked for plywood.
Hurry up and put it out the window.
What time that it's gonna be here?
At 7:30.
7:30?
Yes.
Oh my God.
If it's getting too strong, it's
I know.
category 5.
Check the candles, mattress.
Pick them together. Hurry up.
How about the children? Are they all inside?
Yes.
Go,
1,
people of the
2,
village.
3.
Hey, listen up. This must be the time.
There's a cyclone that's going to be in Tonga. 7:30 is waiting. So come out of your window. Come out of your children. Make sure they're safe. If you're not safe in your house, be in the evacuation center.
Evacuation center? What is the... Where about the evacuation center?
It's a Momo Chapel.
Momo Chapel?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. He's up there. Hey, check everything that is gonna be alright when the cyclone hit
The
there.
match is here and the candle and the... Where's the match?
Oh, get inside. Hurry up.
Is it finished, honey?
Yes. We're done. Hey, listen up. Don't worry if the cyclone hit, because I believe in our house and I trust in it that no cyclone gonna destroy it. Okay?
Okay.
I think we are ready. Oh, what are you doing over there?
It's getting too strong. Look at the roof.
Oh my God, the roof! The roof is out! Hurry up! The roof! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, the roof! Wait, calm down. We have to run to the evacuation center. Calm down.
You said you're safe in here.
I know it's safe, but who knows who? You know, you can't handle when the cyclone hit
Hey, get your blind brother. Let's go to the evacuation center. Come on. The children. Yeah, carry them. Carry those two. Come over here. Hurry up. Get your blind brother. Hurry up, sir. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. I think the water is breaking. What? The water is breaking. The water is breaking. Are you sure? Yes. Just wait. Wait there. Open the door. Oh my gosh, there's a plenty of people. They already here. Maybe they came here for 4 hours ago.
There is no space for us.
Don't worry, that's gonna. We got a free space over there. Come over here.
But we
Come
are
over
too
here.
many.
Excuse me, too low. Too low, excuse me. Excuse me, sorry. Yes, she's pregnant. Sorry. Hurry up, she's over here. Bring your blind brother, sit down here. Hold on to the chair. Yeah, hold on to the chair. Yeah. You feel alright?
Too much pain for me. Yeah, I can't hold on.
Just wait there, I'll go and look for her.
Hurry up.
Any nurse? Doctor, no, excuse me, too low, nurse. Oh no, nurse, is there something? Oh, excuse me, too low, excuse me. Hello? Elderly? Oh, sorry. Please, I'm here to ask for your help. We need your help.
How may I help you, sir?
Sorry, my wife, she's about to deliver a baby.
I'll do my best, sir. While you go looking for a nurse or a doctor.
Yes, come here. Excuse me, too low, make a space for her, please. Excuse me, too low. Move up here, you blind boy. Move up there. Yeah, she's over here. Move away. Slow down, slow. Hold on there, slow. Go that way. Yeah. Anything else, madam?
There's plenty of people here. I need a sheet. There's plenty of people here.
Sheet. Just wait there, I'll go and check the sheet.
Also, I
Go and
need
find
a
the
sheet
sheet,
of
hurry up.
Hurry up.
Are you alright? Yeah. Just wait there.
You can lie on it.
Yeah.
Hurry up.
Oh my gosh.
Sir, I also need extra torch.
Extra torch.
Tag in here.
Okay. Wait, excuse me. This can I borrow your torch for images? Thank you very much. Over here, the torch. Yeah, hold it up high for the privacy of your mother. Hurry up. Hold it up high. Move there. Yeah, hide the camera.
Ma'am, are you okay? As an elderly, I'm trying my best to help you to deliver the baby.
Please drop. Oh my God. Oh, the baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your help. Thank you very much. What a situation. What the cyclone hit and you helped us. Look at him. He's alive. Oh my gosh. Thank God. Yes, blind boy. You what?
I'm scared.
Don't worry. Soon we will go back home, eh? Don't worry, blind boy. Everything's gonna be alright. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome.
We really appreciate it.
Lucky that the mother is alive and also the baby.
Yes.
But with a bit of advice, sir,
Yes.
look around you. Your children are all over the place in the evacuation
I know. Hey,
center.
that children, what are you doing?
You
Just
see,
look after them.
you got lack of food to feed every mouth.
I know.
You know me? me by myself. I don't have to run around and get everyone. You see,
I
just
know.
a bit of advice.
I think
But
it's too
late. It's
yeah, I
too
know
late,
it's too
sir.
late, but we will try our best
Yes,
to
sir.
look after them. But sorry for that.
Are you okay, mother?
You're right. Yeah, she's alright. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I think the doctor and the nurse will be here soon.
All right.
Okay, thank you for your help. How you feel? You're right. Oh, the passage.
Daddy!
Oh my gosh.
Daddy!
What's happened, Daddy? What? Hold up the mic. What?
I just came from the restroom.
What happened?
There was an old man trying to see me.
What? Who's that?
I said, yeah, I want to go home.
Calm down. We can't go back home right now. You know our house was destroyed by the cyclone. But that's usually right. I know that. But we have to sleep here just for tonight. Tomorrow morning, we will go back home and look for our way so we can rebuild our house.
But we need to go home, man.
There's no other way, man.
Look at me.
I know, but just please be patient. Hopefully there will be some help from other people, you know? Just be patient, okay? Let's sleep here for tonight and then we will go back home tomorrow morning.
Okay, children.
Grab that chick.
Hey.
She's over there. She's eating that banana of that bit. Not good. Sleep, try to sleep. And look after that baby.
Attention everyone.
Oh,
If you hear your names called on the list, please stay up.
what is that?
Okay, my cooperation? Is there anyone my call here? Okay, you.
No, Michael.
Okay, Johnny Kun?
Oh, Johnny Good. Oh, over here.
Okay, Johnny Kun is here.
Oh, over here.
Okay,
Excuse me.
hey, you can just keep it in the kitchen.
Oh, thank you very much.
Johnny?
Sorry, please, sir, can you do me a favor?
How can I help?
My family, we have 15 members of my family. Please can you give us a 2 tent?
What?
2 tent
For?
for my family.
Johnny, that's not our problem, I'm sorry.
It's also not a problem, sir, but please can you help us? Because
Johnny,
we're gonna
I'm
feed.
sorry. It's only one for each family.
Please.
No. Johnny, please, yeah? I'm sorry.
Done with you?
No, I think we're done. Okay, that's all.
Hey, how about tell you there's any guys?
Forget about it. We're gonna get boys to set up the tent when
Okay.
you get home.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey, we got a good news. The aid from New Zealand and Australia, they give us a tent.
Are we going to all fit
Yeah,
in
we
it?
have to go back home and have a look at it.
Oh, that's good, honey.
Hey, excuse me, please, can you give me a hand? Please. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Yeah. Hey, get your plan, brother. And let's go back home and look at the tent here, so if we can fit or not.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Sorry. Thank you.
Hey, hurry up. Hey, you go check inside. We're gonna check all outside. Okay.
How's the tent?
I think the tent is already done.
Whose house is this?
Johnny Kun?
And where's Johnny Goon? Johnny Goon!
I don't know. Call the neighbor. I don't even know him.
Johnny Goon!
Yes, I'm here.
Sir, is this your house?
Yes.
The tent is ready. Get your family, there's some free food there. Some aids if anything happened to your family. I think we're done. We're gonna move on.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you
Hope
very
you're
much.
safe with your family.
Yeah, we don't know where we're gonna stand to say thank you, but thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Okay, thank you. Just wait there, I'll go and check that tent, okay?
please take your chairs with you. Thank you, bless you. Thank you, bless you.